Hey guys, this is Trey, the General Manager of Squeegee Squad here in Tulsa. Today we're going to be talking about why we do not compete whenever it comes to pricing. What do I mean by that? If you come to us with a lower bid from somebody and ask us to match it, we're probably not going to take you up on that offer. Why? Because we value consistency and outcomes more than discounts. And we'll get into some of the pieces of that in this video. So what does competing on price actually look like? Typically what you're going to see with companies that compete solely on price is a lower labor investment, meaning that they're not as well trained and they're not as high quality of technicians. Things like shortcuts being taken to reduce cost. And then also just unpredictability with job quality. Cheapest people, the old saying is you get what you pay for, and it's usually true. So what does Squeegee Squad invest in with the money that comes to us? It goes back to our Squeegee stack, which is our cultural symbol. The first one is employee dreams. So we invest a lot of money into our employees. We pay them very well, but we also set aside a chunk of all of our revenue to fund things that our technicians want to do outside of work or to advance their career. Things like buying a car, buying a house, going to a new training. That's a really big differentiator. The next part of our Squeegee stack is predictable excellence. So investing money and resources into the systems and into the safety that has to happen. And then the last thing is being a trusted brand. So having the correct insurance, making sure that we are communicating with people correctly, and just being as transparent as we possibly can be. That's what we're investing our money in, and that's why we don't compete on price. So how does all of this affect pricing? Because we are investing so heavily in the things that matter, obviously we're usually not going to be the cheapest window cleaner, but in the long term, it is going to save you time, effort, energy, and money. And whenever I say money, it is because if you are getting consistent cleaning, it gets quicker, faster, and better every single time. So the longer that you have the same service provider, the less money you're going to spend in the long run on things like repairs, human capital, time waste, and all the other things that go into having to manage bad contractors. If you enjoyed watching this video today, please go to the description on this video to find our self-pricing tool and the blog associated with this video. Visit our website also, www.squeegeesquadtulsa.com, or call us at 918-331-9905. Please make sure to also like and subscribe.